One thing for sure about Dex Arbitrage trading is that provided you're using the right strategy and you're being consistent with it, you are going to definitely see results during the course of your trading.
Take an instance with this Dex Arbitrage trading on Uni. As you can see, I'm about to swap it to Solana, okay? But if you should look closely, the profit outcome here or the outcome of it in general is pretty little. But if you are being consistent with it, over time you're going to see some good results. That was the reason I told you all that Dex arbitrage trading or Dex arbitrage or arbitrage trading in general needs consistency to build up for the result to actually be reasonable. So do not rush to want to like get a lot of money overnight. It is based off of consistency with your discipline before you could see something out of it, definitely. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't spot opportunities, because matter of fact, opportunities, arbitrage opportunities is what is going to keep you in a point of seeing results. Okay, that's the more reason you will need to look for strategies in spotting of these opportunities so you can set up yourself in a point of seeing results instead of always complaining. And which probably brings us to the main aim of this video today, because I'm going to be dedicating this video to show you how to spot opportunities so as to equally think of taking an advantage of it, by the way. So hit the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's get straight into it. So first thing first, you need to understand the overall mindset you are going to be using to approach this. If you're looking to take little risks, which is the main aim of arbitrage wasn't meant to be exposing yourself that much to risks. If you're looking to take a very low risk, using coin market cap strategy I shared a couple of days back will be the best option here. But if you're looking to take an higher risk, Dex Screener is the one for you. So I'm going to be showing you how to use Dex Screener if you're looking to, take that bold step in looking for your first 2 to 3x on arbitrage. So let's get straight into it. So Dex arbitrage trading, there are some few things you need to keep in mind. You are not going to be, predicting the direction of this cryptocurrency and be aiming for some big move. We are looking to spot an inefficiency in these Dex screener coins. We are looking to spot an inefficiency. The inefficiency is a difference in prices. You know, each of these cryptocurrency on Dex screener, they are being traded on different decentralized exchanges. So you are going to look for those different prices between the different decentralized exchanges, and then you spot the inefficiency, which is the differences, and pretty much take an advantage of it. That's how it works. So there are some things I do always try to keep in place before spotting this opportunity, which is one, by making some configuration to the filters. Because right off the back, if you're just opening Dex Screener for the first time, you're going to be welcome with a bunch of cryptocurrency that are probably very strange to you. So making the configuration is going to keep you more safer compared to if you do not want to make any configuration at all. So all we are going to be doing now is to first of all switch this to trending 6 hours. That's the first step. And the second one is going to be making some changes to these filters down below here. As you can see, there are a bunch of interface down below there. So we're going to be making some changes to it. The first one is going to be Solana. You're going to make sure that it is switched to Solana. You're going to click on it. Let me remove it and show you how it's going to look like. It is going to be written as all chains. So click on it and switch it up to Solana. As simple as that. Then you scroll to the right hand side and locate liquidity. Liquidity of 50,000 minimum, and then volume of about, this is about 500,000 minimum volume, pH of about 2 hours maximum, and that's pretty much it. So after making those few configuration, you'll be welcome with some coins that will give you an opportunity to look for the differences. So now all I'm going to be doing is to now pick any one at all, and the one I do advise people to pick is the one with low market cap. Okay, because high market cap coins has probability of coming down pretty much, although there is still probability of going up, but the probability of it coming down is higher than the probability of it going up. So try to look for the one that has a low market cap. For an instance, 71,000, because there might be high probability of it going back up to like 100k. Okay, but let me try to select anyone, and let me show you how this is going to work. So this one looks pretty decent. Let us quickly scalp and look for the differences. This will enable us to know what to do exactly. So this one for me looks pretty good. We have about what, 94k. Okay, and the volume is not even up to 1 million, which is pretty okay. So this 94k, we might think of now looking for the differences in this one. So all I'm going to be doing is to click on it, and keep in mind the mentorship in arbitrage or Dex arbitrage in general, it is still open for those of you that want to make an inquiry. So send a DM to my WhatsApp if you want to get access to it, and pretty much just go straight to the point and tell me mentorship in arbitrage. That'll be very easy for me to understand, and I will tell you the requirements. Anyways, now that the interface is open up, as you can see, there are some red flags to this. There are a lot of buyers, but there are a few people that are selling. Look at what is going on here. Buyers are more than the sellers. So there should be a balanced ratio in this. And even as much as that, the liquidity is not even locked. So which probably now invalidates the majority of these roles. So there should be a balanced ratio between the buy side and the selling side, so it can make sense. Let's go for this other one that was launched 5 minutes ago or 7 minutes ago. This one is still pretty good, 49 and 36, still very okay. Even as much as that, the liquidity is not locked. We will need to just do quickly and find the inefficiency, and then take an advantage of it and retain our outcome. Nothing to hold for a longer time. So the way we now spot the differences is by copying the contract here. Simply by clicking on that copy icon there, and then you quickly rush and open up your Phantom. So on Phantom Wallet now, all we're going to be doing is to wait for the interface to open up. Then I'm going to click on this search button, and then we will be looking up different decentralized exchanges. The first one is going to obviously be Dex Screener. Dex Screener is also a decentralized exchange, and it is also a tool which you can use in spotting opportunities. So it is both sided. So after opening up Dex Screener, we will also open up another one, which is probably Radium or Jupiter or Pop.Fun, which is another decentralized exchange in total. So I'm going to still have to click on the search bar there, and we're going to be searching for the other cryptocurrency. You need to be fast in these, like it will require you to like be extra fast so that the execution can be perfect. So once this one has been opened up, I'm going to quickly have to click on it, and here you go. You can see the price at which it is being traded on. Right now it is at 0.00010130111. So after then, we will open up another one, which in this case we might be opening up something like Jupiter. So all I'm going to be doing now is to also do the same thing to Jupiter, so we can now determine where the differences really lies. This is how you're going to be doing everything. So let me switch up this arrow and the price will be shown. This one is at 0. Look at 3 zeros and 99. So apparently this one is trading at a lower price. Meanwhile, the other one is trading at a much higher price. So what we're going to be doing is to use about, if you're looking to take risks in this, try to use a smaller amount to test it out first before you think of doing something else. Okay, don't rush to do something that you are not familiar with. So let's test it out with this amount, and let's perform the swap. You might have had a little Solana to pay for gas fee. So the case is to now sell it on the other one and return the profit. As simple as that. You do not have to hold it for a longer time. I do not want to complete the entire trading. You know the rules about this. Come to the Telegram community. Most of these I'm going to post it on there. Most of the outcome of it I'll post it on there. I do not want to complete the entire process due to some community guidelines. You know what that means? Because for sure, I don't want you to do this. Keep in mind, this is meant for educational and entertaining purposes. Do not count my word for it. Okay, I'm not telling you to do exactly what I'm doing in this video. Always take this as a educational or entertaining video.